Hi all, welcome to the video series on problems and solutions, where we create solutions for the day-to-day challenges using latest technology. So, let's understand what was the problem that we wanted to solve. And what were the challenges that we were facing. So, our main problem was to check the water level in the water tank and in the sump and take decision to switch on the motor. Where to perform the above task, we had to climb 3 floors. Once up to check the water level in the water tank, and once that is done, we had to come down to the ground floor and check the water level in the sump. The other challenge that we had was overflow of water from the water tank. We wanted a solution that which is simple and can be operated on the mobile phone. Thus our experimentation journey started. First, let me take you through our failed attempts and the lessons that we learned through them. Initially in the year 2019, we ordered 2 USB endoscope cameras from Amazon. However, due to some challenge, I received only 1 piece. This did not resolve the issue. The idea was to mount the camera end of the cable on the water tank and other end to the phone, thus providing an option to watch the water level in the phone. This was a failed attempt due to the length of the cable. After the failed attempt, our goal to achieve our end result continued. We did research on different products and solutions what were available in the market. None of the solutions were near to the image that we had for the solution. Thus, again in the year 2023, we started working on the solution. This time we divided the solution into 3 different parts. 1. We should be able to watch the water level in the water tank and in the sump in our mobile phone, remotely. 2. Remotely operate the motor pump to on and off state based on the water level. 3. Automatically switch off the motor pump once the water tank is full, thus saving water from overflowing. Now let's start with monitoring water level. For this, we developed our own integrated solution, which was running on solar. This idea originated after me seeing the traffic signals in our city, as most of the signals have a solar connected. Thus, keeping this idea in mind, purchased a Wi-Fi camera that works with 5 volts and connected it to the solar panel setup, which had a solar panel, solar charge controller and a battery connected. This is how we were able to check the water level. The Wi-Fi camera was installed to the inner surface of the red tub. Parallelly, we also solved the challenge of remotely operating the motor, and also the challenge of auto turn off. That is, once the water level reaches a particular level in the water tank, automatically the motor is switched to off state. Here's a demo of auto off state with an alert notification. The solution was running smoothly till 1.5 years. However, we faced 2 major challenges towards the end. 1. The camera goes offline once it's evening. 2. The battery connected used to get drained. Due to above 2 reasons, we had to work towards a more better solution, which we shall be discussing further in this video. Let's now discuss how we developed a solution to monitor water level in the sump. For this, we installed a car reverse camera at one point of the sump, and the display monitor was placed in the house. The main challenge with this product was the picture quality. There was lots of noise that which would come up on the LCD screen due to wiring. Let's now talk about the present solution that which is running at our home for the setup of water tanks that we have. Note that the core idea of the solution is same, however we have upgraded the products. List of products that we have used for this solution were: 1. A smart Wi-Fi switch. 2. Water leak sensor. 3. Complete setup of CCTV cameras. We shall be sharing the links to the above products in the description section below. Note that, as all these devices are Wi-Fi based, a standard internet connection and a working router connected with internet is mandatory. Let's now see how the devices are set up to achieve our present solution. The smart Wi-Fi switch is connected to the motor pump. Water leak sensor probe end is connected with a small piece of copper wire and the other end is placed in the water tank. We had to do this, as the device can withstand only up to certain temperature, thus had to place it in the close room. CCTV installed to view the water level in the sump. CCTV installed on the water tanks to view the water level in the water tanks. Let's now head towards our smartphone and open the Heat Connect CCTV application. In the coming video you will see how the present setup is helping us to monitor the water levels in the water tanks and in the sump at the same time. This is how we can take informed decisions to switch on or off the motor pump. Let's now see the demo of remotely switching on and off the pump from the mobile app. Also, let's see the tank view simultaneously after each state. Let's now see how the auto-off feature works. That is to switch off the motor automatically once the water level in the water tank touches the probe installed. This feature helps in restricting overflow. To achieve the above, we had to write a trigger, so that the smart Wi-Fi switch and water leak sensor communicate with each other. Let's see that in the next part of the video under triggers and notifications. This part of the video shows the different triggers written to achieve the complete objective. We have written 2 message notification triggers to inform us if the motor is switched on or switched off. The other is an event-based trigger along with a message trigger. Let's see how the notifications are recorded on the water leak sensor. Finally, let's understand the value that we have created with this solution. 1. Reduced human effort. 2. Reduced the chances of water overflow from the water tank through automation. 3. Remotely operate the pump. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you have any suggestions, please share us in the comment section below.